To this demo of BFF, a hack created for the RooCode Hackathon. This is my very first hack. An application to better upscale faces while preserving the identity of the people in the photos. Let's jump right in. It's a Streamlit app, so you'll run it from your command line, and then it'll appear in your browser. With Browse Files, choose a file, and immediately it'll identify the people by their face. Let's go ahead and edit, and it will run the two most popular face restore algorithms on this face, which are GFP-GAN and code former. Adjusting these settings decides if you want to preserve the structure more or the color and detail. This will preserve the structure in the final merged result. This will preserve the structure and detail. If you want it to not change the image as much, you can set this fidelity threshold low. As you see, setting it to 0 changes it not at all. A higher value enhances the face more. If there are any artifacts, you can set the blending to smooth that out. Let's go ahead and edit face 2. It will once again run the two models, CodeFormer and GFP-GAN, and merge the results. I'm happy with the defaults on this one, so let's go ahead and finalize and paste. That's going to paste the results back into this final image, and then we can compare them using this slider. And here are our final results. Thank you for watching.